Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you love paper crafting, scrapbooking, or just beautiful stationery, you're gonna wanna stick around because today I'm unboxing the Simple Stories mystery box from scrapbookcom, and let me tell you, this box is packed with goodies. This mystery box retails for over $200 worth of product, and it's only $59.99. Such an amazing deal. Let's dive right in and see if it's really worth it. Now, immediately when we open this box, I am blown away. There is a ton of items in here. This is a mystery box, so the contents are going to vary from box to box in terms of theme and collections. In my box, there was primarily a lot of spring-related content. Not a lot of Christmas. I think I only got one piece of paper out of everything. There was a variety of different elements that spanned about 5 different collections. My box included a lot of stickers, 12 by 12 papers, about 21 12 by 12 papers, which is great, 2 6 by 8 paper pads, stamps, stencils, and a cornucopia of embellishments. So a lot of chipboard pieces, die cuts. There was even some thickers included. Each mystery box is a little different, so what you get may vary, but mine had products from at least 5 different collections. There were no repeat items in the box. There was a really good mix in there. A few fall themed items, some vintage inspired designs, and the rest are super bright and springy, so perfect for the upcoming spring. Everything feels really coordinated and versatile, perfect for card making, journaling, or scrapbooking layouts. Now let's talk about value. This box is over $200 retail, and I paid $59.99. Honestly, that's a huge win. So I know mystery boxes can be a little hit and miss because sometimes there are different brands that are included that are unknown or some of them known. But Simple Stories is a solid craft brand. Their quality and design never disappoint. And I love that this box includes items from prior collections that you might not find in stores anymore. So if you love surprises, pretty paper, and stretching your crafting budget, this mystery box is absolutely worth it. So if you want to grab one, hurry. There are limited quantities left. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out at scrapbook.com. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss my next craft haul or project share. Thanks so much for watching, crafty friends, and happy creating. Bye.